Alright, so right now I'm going to be doing the air resistance through straws lab. I'm only going to do just the procedures part. I'm just going to skip all the questions and write down the answers on my lab, and I'll just upload that to the Dropbox. With me, it says the lab requires 5 coffee stirrers and soda straws. I didn't have any coffee stirrers on me, so what I did, I just cut the straw in half and rolled it a little bit tighter so that it has a thinner tube, I guess, more so than the soda straw. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna get into it. Procedure 1 says take a standard soda straw and cut it to the same length as a coffee stirrer, which I have done. Blow gently through each straw. Notice how much effort is required to move air through the straw and how readily the air flows. Record observations. So to record how much air is going through, I have a sheet of paper I'm just laying down in front of me. Then I'm going to blow at so that I can see the paper wiggle, and that'll judge how much air is going through. And obviously I'm going to be blowing with the same amount of effort each time. Right now this is with my normal soda straw. Actually, the paper didn't wiggle that much. Now I'm going to do my coffee stirrer. Alright, the paper wiggled less with the coffee stirrer that time. It barely even wiggled. Okay, those are my observations. Let me go to procedure part B. Procedure part B is take 5 coffee stirrers and tape them to form one bunch straw, which I've done prior to the video. Blow through the bunched coffee stirrers, and then blow through the single soda straw. Record observations. So now I'm gonna go blow with my single soda straw. Alright, so it didn't really wiggle that much. Now I'm gonna blow with my with my bunched coffee stirrers. So it did wiggle more when I blew with the coffee stirrers than it did with the single soda straw. We'll move on to procedure part C. Take 2 straws, tape them together to make one larger straw, blow through the longer straw, then through a single straw, record observations if there is no distinguishable difference. So here's my normal straw and here's my mega straw. I just did it 3 times as long for whatever reason. I'm going to blow first with my normal straw. Alright, that wiggled however much amount. And I just blew with my 3 times as long soda straw. That did not wiggle very much at all. That was barely noticeable. I'm not talking barely noticeable difference. Like just the paper didn't wiggle that much at all. That's all the procedure. Well, that's all the part that I could visualize on the video. I'm just gonna do all the questions on the lab, like I said, and I'll just upload that to the Dropbox later.